We're proud to announce that in addition to our 18mm and 25mm skirting boards, we now sell them in 15mm too, along with matching 15mm architraves. If it is thin skirting you're after, look no further. Thin skirting is modern. A lot of traditional skirting is much thicker than the standard sizes we produce these days. We often find that when customers are trying to match existing skirting, it is made out of timber and is anywhere between 25mm and 50mm thick. To get a much more modern look and feel, you can use our thin 15mm skirting. It uses up a lot less space than traditional skirting, creating more floor space for you and your furniture. How many designs are available in 15mm? Overall, when it comes to different designs, there's 100 different designs in total for you to choose from. When it comes to 15mm, there is 63 to choose from. This is because some of the designs simply cannot be put on a 15mm thick piece of board. This is because the profile was either too deep and made the design too weak, or the top of the design was too thin and it would completely disappear on a thinner board. And now that you know about our 15mm thick skirting boards, do yourself a favour and try your very own today.